Hello. Hello. Hey, hi. Your audio.
Hello.
Your audio is muted. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I am fine.
Okay. What is your name?
David.
David. Such a nice name. David, do you know the meaning of your name?
Huh?
Do you know the meaning of your name?
Yes.
What is it? Think. Okay, this will be your homework, okay? After the class, you will ask your mama or papa, what is the meaning of my name?
Okay.
Sure, you will do that?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, that's good. Wonderful. What's your full name, Devik?
David Gupta.
Devik Gupta. And where are you from, Devik? Which place of India?
In Delhi.
Delhi. Delhi or New Delhi?
Gurgaon.
Okay, it's Gurugram, right?
Yes.
Wonderful. So can you tell me something about your city? Think. Okay, I will help you out. So first thing I know about Gurugram, that this place is near to Delhi, right? Gurugram has big buildings or not?
Yes.
Gurugram has big buildings. Okay, wonderful. Gurugram has nice places to visit. Does it has?
Yes.
Can you name some of them for me?
Actually, ma'am, right now we are in Oman, Sur.
Okay. Wow. So this is for Middle East. Okay.
Yeah, it's so he's not much aware about the Gurgaon. Just tell
Okay.
about the Sur.
Then
Oman,
tell me
the
about
Sur.
Oman. Tell me about Oman.
But you
ओमान में क्या?
ओमान तो बहुत सुंदर जगह है.
In Oman, I go to desert.
Yes, I know. It's full of desert. Have you visited?
Yes.
And do you like deserts?
Yes. Yes.
Which?
Yes. Very much.
Nice. You like it. Shall I visit Oman? Shall I visit
Yes.
Oman?
Sure.
Sure. Thank you. And I will stay at your home.
Okay.
Right?
Welcome.
You will allow me to stay at your home?
Yes.
Correct. And will you play with me?
play.
Yes, I will play.
That's good. Devik, you are in which standard? Which class?
Third.
Third. And do you having your classes?
Yeah. No, holiday.
Holiday, it's summer vacation, no? I know that. Okay, who is your favorite teacher? Tell me, who is your favorite teacher?
Rashni ma'am.
Why is she your favorite? Tell me.
Because she tell us English and I like English also.
You love English?
And math.
Okay. So how can I be your favorite teacher? I want to Devik's favorite teacher. How can I be? How can I be your favorite teacher? Tell me.
First you want to teach me English. Then.
But I want to play with Devik. I want to play a lot.
We can play emojis.
Emojis.
Sometime.
Right. We will play and we will learn.
Yes.
Then I will be your favorite teacher, right? Correct?
Yes.
Give me high five. Give me high five. Big high five. Tushum. Yes, that's nice. Davik, do you know my name?
Priyanka. Priyanka.
Ah, that's right. So I will be your friend or teacher for today.
Teacher.
Teacher. Okay, let's be a teacher today. I'm going to show something on the screen. Okay. Just look at it carefully. Look at the screen carefully. Yes, like that. And just tell me if you can see something on the screen or not. Okay. It's opening up. Just a second.
Yes.
So, Devik, how many brothers and sisters you have?
I have one brother.
And he is younger to you or elder to you?
Elder.
Elder. Okay. How many years elder to you?
Younger.
Younger. Chota bhai?
Yes.
And how many years younger to you?
5.
5 years younger to you. Okay, that's nice. What's his name?
Vedic.
Okay, very similar name, huh? Devik and Vedic. Very nice name, by the way. Okay, can you see on the screen something written over here?
Yes.
Can you see? There's a challenge for you. Do you like challenges? Do you like challenges?
Some.
Okay, so here is a tongue twister challenge for you. Okay, you have to read what is written in the red, and then you have to read it for 5 times. Okay.
Kitty catch the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty catch the kitten in the kitchen.
Okay,
Kitty
just
catch the kitten in the kitchen.
okay. So one more thing I will help you out. You read it really very well. One little mistake. Okay. And it's Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. So it's caught, not cat. Okay? Okay. And you have to say it for the 5 times. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. Did I say?
Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen.
Yes.
Kitty caught the kitten in the kitchen. 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 Kitty
Caught.
caught the kitten in the kitchen.
Wonderful. Pat yourself and say, good job, Devik.
Good job, David.
Yes, Devik is a wonderful boy. He can understand things very fastly, right? Devik, show me how we laugh. Show me how we laugh. Please. And don't shy. See, even I am. Tell me how we laugh. Tell me. Why are you shying? Okay, tell me how we smile. Wow, that's a cute smile. And how do you play with your younger brother? Tell me.
Play.
Yes, play. Yes. How do you play with him? What games you play with him?
I play ball.
Football?
Football.
And then?
Cricket.
Okay. Okay.
Play
Mm-hmm.
and cards.
Okay. You love
Gun
cars?
game. Yes.
That's
Gun game.
okay. So many games you play with him. Right. Wonderful. That's good. We enjoy a lot with him.
Yes.
That's good. Show me your hand. Both hands. Show me your left hand. Only left hand. Now right hand. Again right hand. Now left, right. Show me clap. How to clap. Roll. Roll. Roll like this. Roll like this. Yes. Now, take your left hand, right hand. Clap. And roll. Left, right, clap and roll.
Right, left, left, right, clap and roll.
Yes. We will do it after every 5 minutes. Whose chair is in the back? I can see a beautiful chair.
Sure.
Yes, no, I can see the beautiful chair. Blue color chair. Your brother's chair?
No.
Your
My younger chair.
when you were younger, that time you got this chair.
Yes.
Okay. That's nice. Can you see the screen?
Yes. Draw and guess challenge.
Very good. You can read really well. Do you have a paper with you? Blank paper? Any paper, any paper. Yes, any paper will do. And a pencil. Pencil or pen, whichever you use. So I was giving you all challenge, no? This time you will give me a challenge. Okay, Devik. You have to draw something. Okay. You have to draw something and then I have to guess what you have drawn.
Okay.
Okay. So it's a challenge for me.
Yes.
Draw something very difficult.
I will tell some hints or not.
Yes, very smart boy. Super smart boy you are. You have to give me hints.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Drawn?
Yes, I don't.
Very good. You can say it like that, that I have drawn.
Yes.
Say it, I have drawn.
I have drawn.
Very good, wonderful. So now give me some hints.
When it is night, it will bright like
shine.
a sun. Yes, shine like a sun.
Is it a star?
No.
Is it a moon?
Yes.
Thank you. So good job, Priyanka. Can I say good job to myself?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. So one more thing for you. We are going to make a breakfast today. Before that, tell me what you had for breakfast. Yes, we will make a breakfast.
Oh.
What you tell me?
I will eat some parathas with Nutella. Chocolate.
That's yummy, no?
Yes.
Yes. And then what you had for lunch?
Lunch.
Hmm?
I will eat some chapatis.
Okay. You can say it like that because you ate it, no? So you can say that I ate
I ate.
chapati.
Yeah,
Yes.
I ate the chapatis.
I ate chapatis. Very good. So for tomorrow's breakfast, we are going to make a jam butter bread. Do you like jam butter bread?
When I'm in India, I like jam bread.
Okay, so when you are in India, when you visit India, your favorite breakfast is jam butter bread.
Yes.
Why you don't get bread in Oman? You don't get bread in Oman?
Because it is not very much tasty, no?
In Oman, breads are not tasty.
No bread, no jam.
Jam is not tasty there.
I
I
don't
will
know.
send you a bottle of a jam from here then.
Okay. Thank you.
How many bottles you want?
I want one bottle only
Only one bottle.
because I am going in October.
You are going to visit India in October.
Yes.
Are you going to meet me?
Yes.
Sure.
Sure.
That's wonderful. I look forward to meeting you. Okay, Devi, can you just excuse me? I need to plug in my charger. Will you please excuse me just for 10 seconds?
Okay.
Thank you, dear.
ये देखो जैम बटर कैसे बनाना है
Thank you for waiting. Yes, we are going to make a jam butter bread. Okay. And this
Yeah.
jam is from India. Okay.
Okay.
So you can see a picture here.
Yes, I can see.
Very good. Now, can you tell me what you have to do? As you are a smart boy, you can tell me.
First, we want 2 bread.
Okay. 2 slices of bread.
2 slices of bread.
Mhm.
Then jam butter.
Then we have to apply jam
Yeah.
onto on what? On what?
Slice of bread.
Wonderful, smart boy. Yes. And then we have to apply
Then apply some
butter. I helped you.
butter.
Yes. We will apply butter. Then
We will
put them together.
put them together.
Together means what? Together means what? एक साथ रखना. You understand? You understand Hindi, Devik?
Yes, I can understand.
Very good. So we will put together the 2 slices, right?
Yes.
And then what? Then are we going to do what?
We want to cut the half piece with the knife.
Wonderful. Very, that's nice. You made that sound. So this is going to be the 5th step. You're going to
And
cut it.
six is we will eat.
How you eat? Tell me. I eat like this. How you eat? What is called eating food?
Eating.
I will say the Hindi word. I will say the Hindi word. You have to say what is it called in English. हम खाना को चबाते हैं ना खाना को. What is the word? What is the word for in English?
To chew the bread.
Yes, super duper smart boy. Are you going to share with me? Devik, will you please? Are you going to share with me? What are you going to share with me?
Yes, I can share.
Very good. Okay, so you will share with me or you will share with your younger brother?
I will take 4 slices of bread.
Okay. So that everyone is happy. Priyanka ma'am is also happy. Vedic is also happy. Devik is also happy. Very smart boy, huh? I never expected this answer from you. How many best friends you have, Devik? How many best friends you have?
In India or Sur?
Anything you tell me?
Huh?
Both.
Both.
Okay, in Oman, how many best friends you have?
Okay.
In Oman, how many best friends you have?
5.
5 best friends. Okay. And what are their names?
In same building.
And you all 5, 6 live in same building.
Huh?
You all live in same building.
Yes.
Okay. And tell me their name. I want to know their name.
Vedant, Abhinav, Abhinav, Kana, Joshna,
Four.
and Tutu.
Tutu. That's a cute name. That's a cute name. And why? Who is the best among them? Who is the best among them?
Vedant, Vedant.
Vedant is your best friend. Why is he your best friend? What do you like in him?
Yes, I like.
Something must be good in him, that he is very helpful or he's very funny, or you like playing with him. What do you like in him?
I like to play with him, and he toys everyone. I like this.
What does he do?
And
he shares his toy with everyone.
Yes.
Oh.
Share, and he will tell us funny jokes.
Okay. Okay.
And play with us. And when we are hungry, he will get home and take some chips.
From your home?
My home, no. He's home. He home.
Gets chips from his
like
home.
Chocolate and chips. Biscuits.
For you.
No, everyone. Everyone.
Everyone. Okay, that's nice of him, no?
Hmm.
It's a good habit. And tell me one good habit of Devik. Your good habit. Talk
My
to
good
me
habit.
only. Talk to me only. Okay. Talk to me only.
My-
Don't ask anything, Mama. Tell whatever comes to your mind. One good habit of Devik.
I play with all one only.
So you
I
play
like
with
it.
everyone. You don't say no
Yes.
to anyone.
Yes, I don't say no.
That's good. That's good. Everyone. And you share your toys with others?
Yes,
Which is, if I ask you to share your toy with me, which one you will share?
I will share. I will share Ludo, chess,
Chess.
and everything. Scrabble, everything.
Everything with me.
Huh?
Thank you. Thank you.
Football, catch.
Okay, that's nice. So we are going to play one game again. This is again a guessing game. Okay. Shall we play a game?
Guess.
Shall we play a game?
Okay.
Thumbs up. Okay. So I'm going to share my screen again with you. And just tell me if it is visible. Okay. You have to close your eyes. You have to close your eyes. That's nice, boy. Very good. Just a second. Just a second. Just a second. Yes, you can open your eyes now. Very nice boy you are. Yeah, this is a guessing game. You got it, huh? Very good. You understand things really very quickly. Okay, can you read it?
Yes, can you read and guess which animal am I?
Perfect.
I am known as the king of the jungle where I religion.
It's rain.
It hard
It's
to
hard.
tame me and I have a large mane. Who am I?
Okay, so it's here. You can read a word IT and then there is a comma and then S. It's pronounced as it's. Yes, it's. So can you tell me who are we talking about?
King of the jungle, the lion.
Very good. Super easy, no, for Devik?
Yes.
I should have got little tough for him.
Hmm.
No worries. Next class, I will get a tough one for you because you're a smart boy. Are you a smart boy?
Yes.
Yes. Say, I am a smart boy. Very smart boy.
I am a smart boy. This is on me, okay. Not very.
No, I think you are very smart. Okay. Can you read it for me again?
My skin is green and slippery. I have 4 legs and webbed feet. I eat bugs and little fish. I can swim underwater and I hop on land. Who am I? Frog. Frog? Yeah, frog. I understand. Oh, am I a black and white?
Speak louder.
I am black and white. I am good at climbing trees. I like to eat
Bamboos.
Bamboos. Who am I?
You know what is a bamboo?
Yes, I know.
Very good.
Let them look.
Can you make a guess?
Them.
It's a very lazy creature. It's black and white and it looks like a bear. भालू भालू जैसा दिखता है ये. Another, don't take mama's help. You think. Smart boy, think. Shall I help you?
Yes, help.
It's panda.
Oh, panda.
Is it your favorite?
Yes.
It's super cute, na? Right. Have you seen panda in real?
No, I
No. Do you have a zoo in Oman?
Zoo in Oman? No.
No? Have you seen camel? You must have seen camel.
Yes, I can see camel.
Did you take a ride on
I
it?
have seen camel. Huh?
Did you take a ride?
Yes,
on
I ride also.
And how was the experience?
Experience. Very.
Did you enjoy?
Yes. When I
Was riding on camel?
riding on camel, the camel is doing like up down, up down, up down, up down.
So it was like this, up and down, up and down. So it was like a roller coaster ride.
Yeah.
Next one for you.
I
am the tallest.
Giraffe.
Okay.
I am
sure?
the tallest.
Are you sure?
But not the, huh?
Okay, read.
But not the heaviest land animal. I have a long neck to pluck leaves off the high trees. Who am I? I am the giraffe.
Very good. Have you seen giraffe in real?
No.
No.
Okay,
so next time when you come to India, you ask your mama or papa to make you visit to a zoo.
Zoo, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Or a sanctuary. You will get to see lots of real animals there. Right?
Yes.
Next one.
I can fly, have 6 legs. I am yellow and black. I collect nectar to make honey. Who am I? I am honeybee.
Sure?
Yes, sure.
Now, have you seen honeybee in real?
No. No.
Okay, no problem. Last one.
I am a flying mammal. I sleep upstairs, down. I like to
down.
eat fruits and insects. Who am I? I am a bat.
Wow, wonderful. Uh-oh, sorry. Just a second. Sorry. So your answer was correct. It's a bat. It's a bat. Sorry, my screen just got stuck. Okay. Yes, it's a bat. That's good. Wonderful. So why did you say that you are smart and not very smart?
Because
Who are called very smart?
very smart.
Yes, who are called very smart?
My father.
Okay, that's wonderful. That will definitely make your father very happy. And what makes your father very smart?
Makes
Your father very smart.
my father very smart.
Yes, वो very smart क्यों है?
Because
Because tell me whatever comes to your mind. Why do you think? Because he works very hard.
yes.
He works
Yes.
very hard. That's why he's very smart.
Mm-hmm.
And you also work very hard to study, right?
Yeah.
So that way you are also very smart, right? Right. Give me one more time high five. Tishum.
Ooh.
Big, yes, wonderful, great. David, do you have your mama or papa around you?
Yes.
Can I have a word with them? That is how you call your mama. Ah. Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello. You're fine. How are you?
Even I'm doing good. So you were there, you saw it's a very nice session with him. Like he speaks, he takes a time to open up, right?
Yeah,
That's
actually,
really
the class is not so, what to say, it's not so perfect, or what, he's very shy in
he's a
class.
shy child. Yes, I got to know that. I got to know that. That's okay. Many a times we get to see a child. We get to see a child who do not initially get well along, but that's okay. He was a nice. I must say, shy children are really smart. I must say that. Okay, and he is a smart. One thing about reading and everything, he is very good at reading, no doubts. His pronunciations are very well. Two things which I think you need to work upon is fluency, and second thing is little bit of grammar. He gets little
Yeah.
confused about the past and the present, little bit confused. So these two
Yes.
things which he need to work upon. But I would like to know what improvements you want in him. What are you looking for him to be good at?
Yeah, one point is grammar, that he don't know what to say is a future tense or past tense.
Yes.
What he has to use. Yeah, this is the main problem also. And one thing is that he's not able to communicate.
Fluency, lack of fluency.
Fluency, lack
Yes.
of fluency in the class also, and he know the answer, but he is, because of this he's not able to tell the teacher in the class.
Afraid of answering.
Afraid of answering. He know his answer. He know his math or what the answer. He know it. Exact answer he know, but he can't explain according to him what he want to say. His views.
I got
Because
the point.
lack of the words or vocabulary, we can say it's vocabulary also.
Yes, it's lack of vocabulary also, that he's not able to express himself properly.
Yeah,
Okay, no
that's
issues, no issues. That is why we keep a demo session also to properly assess the child. Because here at QN1, the syllabus is very perfectly, I will say, designed, and it is specifically what are the needs of your child. On the basis of that, we take the activities according to that. Same activities, but whatever the lack your child is, we work upon that. Our activities are accordingly. Suppose he needs to improve in grammar, so whoever the trainer will be, he or she will focus on improving his grammar, his fluency, his vocabulary.
hello.
If so, can you hear me?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So whatever his requirements are, the trainer will train him that way only. Means whatever your goal is, our curriculum is designed, customized according to him only. So that is how the curriculum is all defined or described. And again, you will get a call from our academic counselor. He will give you a call regarding the number of classes and the timings and everything, and a brief idea, more idea about the curriculum. You will get an idea from him. Okay.
The Q1 is from Gurgaon itself.
Yes,
What's
yes.
the
Office is
Gurgaon?
there, but we all work from our respective homes.
Okay, right now because of the pandemic.
Yes,
Or
yes,
because of the pandemic.
yes.
Okay. Actually, we also live in Gurgaon in Sector 17. We are here, stucky here in Oman.
Main office is there, but again,
Okay.
again the sessions are online, so we do not need to visit there. Neither the child nor the trainer, none of them have to visit there. Their office is there only.
Okay. How many classes in a week, ma'am?
It will be 3 classes in a week, 12 classes in a
Okay.
month, and in each course is of 3 months. So in total, 36 sessions will be taken, 40 minutes each
Okay.
class.
It's a 1-to-1 ratio or 1-to-many ratio? Or how is
It
that?
depends upon whatever you choose.
Okay, it's on the thing.
Yes, if you want to put him into a group class, they will put them accordingly. And if you want 1:1, it's better for him to put him into 1:1 now.
Okay, okay.
So this way it works. Any other question? ma'am?
Any other question? Yeah, your coordinator will contact us.
Yes, yes, you will be contacted.
He will contact. He will take that. Okay, ma'am. Means according to our time or according to his what he desire, I want actually perfect in that. Na feel because nowadays kids are at home. They are not training in the school, right?
I know
So
right now they are having their summer vacations. They have a quite number of free time as well, and it's good to utilize this time, because when they will have somebody to train them, again they will get that ambience also, you know, वो माहौल भी मिलेगा जहाँ कोई मिलेगा उनको जिनके साथ वो बैठ के बातें कर सके, क्योंकि अगर एकदम से टच में नहीं रहेंगे ना तो वो भूल जाएंगे चीजें, राइट?
और पैंडेमिक की वजह से भी मतलब कि वो बच्चे स्कूल अटेंड नहीं कर रहे हैं, तो जो एटमॉस्फेयर चाहिए क्लास का वो चीज नहीं मिल पा रहा है,
हाँ,
तो स्पीकिंग क्लास नहीं हो पाती उनके
नहीं
बच्चों
हो
की, वो
पाती।
सब लैक होता है।
अभी जैसे अगर ये स्कूल जाते रहते तो बच्चों के साथ बात करते, यानी अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बात करते, टीचर्स के साथ बात करते, तो उतनी दिक्कत नहीं आती। हालांकि मैम फिर भी दिक्कत आती है, यू नो, ऑफलाइन क्लासेस में। इनफैक्ट इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में जाकर के भी बहुत से बच्चे ऐसे आते हैं हमारे पास जिनकी स्पोकन इंग्लिश वीक रहती है, क्योंकि वहां पे है ना कि एकदम थ्योरी डाल देते हैं, है ना, चीजें बस आपको रटनी जानी होती है, भाषा के साथ उतना तालमेल नहीं बैठ पाता है। तो यहाँ पे वैसा नहीं है कि रिगरसली आपको ये याद करवा देंगे, वो याद करवा देंगे। एक्टिविटीज और पिक्चर्स के थ्रू पढ़वाएंगे ना तो बच्चों के दिमाग में भी रहती है वो चीज, तो वो हेल्प करती है, दिमाग में रिटेन रहती है। दैट इज हाउ इट हेल्प्स।
वही चाहिए कि स्पीकिंग बच्चा आराम से सीख जाए, आगे बच्चा एक बार स्टार्ट हो जाए ना, उसका वो रूट उसका हो जाए अच्छे से, तो फिर तो वो आप धीरे धीरे कर ले।
सही
है, ठीक है मैम, जैसा होता है फिर आप मेल के थ्रू बताएंगे मेरे को, आपको
कॉल जाएगा यहाँ से, हमारे टीम से कॉल कर लेंगे, वो बात कर लेंगे।
ओके, ही विल डिस्कस अबाउट द व्हाट आर द प्राइस।
अभी जैसे ये क्लास हो जाएगी ना तो हम एक फीडबैक फॉर्म भर देते हैं कि हमारा सेशन कैसा गया दैविक के साथ, ठीक है? तो वहाँ उसकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसी थी वो सारी मैं मार्किंग कर देती हूँ। आपको इनफैक्ट वीडियो की लिंक भी मिल जाएगी। ये वीडियो अभी हम रिकॉर्ड कर रही हूँ मैं, तो ये वीडियो आप बाद में बैठ के देख भी सकते हो, ठीक है? एनालाइज भी कर सकते हो बाद में, तो आपको भी आइडिया लग जाएगा। और फिर उसके बेसिस पे हाँ, यहाँ पे ना मतलब सेवरल लेवल पे क्लासेस होती हैं, जूनियर प्लस, टॉडलर्स के लिए अलग होती हैं, फिर जो ज्यादा एज के होते हैं 50-60 इयर्स के, उनके लिए भी कोर्सेज अलग होती हैं। तो जिनको जिस एज वाइज और गोल वाइज जो कोर्स उनको दिया जाता है उसमें आपने एनरोल करवाना होता है, तो एक्टिविटीज आपको उस तरीके से करवाई जाती है। तो अभी जैसे दैविक के लिए जो कोर्स सुटेबल होगा वो मैं दे दूंगी, मैं वो एडवाइस कर दूंगी।
आप अपनी प्रेफरेंस से देंगे, आप अपने प्रेफरेंस के अकॉर्डिंग जो आपको लगता है।
हाँ, उसकी एज, आपकी गोल और उसकी परफॉर्मेंस के बेसिस पे जो यहाँ का करिकुलम उसके लिए बेस्ट सूटेड है, क्योंकि हमारे पास डिफरेंट लेवल्स के करिकुलम है, एक करिकुलम हम फॉलो नहीं करते हैं, क्योंकि एक करिकुलम आप सब बच्चे के लिए कैसे फॉलो कर सकते हो, है ना? सब बच्चा तो एक जैसा नहीं होता, तो उसकी एज, उसकी गोल और उसकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसी है, उसके बेसिस पे जो करिकुलम उसके लिए बेस्ट सूटेड है वो हम एडवाइस करते हैं, और वो आपको दिया जाएगा, वो करिकुलम आपको दिया जाएगा।
ओके मैम, Okay, it's better to tell him also to the contact on my Oman number or WhatsApp through the Indian number. I have
Whatever
I have
number you,
registered with my Indian number. I have registered from the Indian number.
then they will
I
give you
got the
call.
message.
Whatever number
What-
you have registered while booking a demo session, they will give you call on that number only.
Okay, okay.
In case
Fine,
if
fine.
you have any problem, there is a customer care service number on the website. You can contact there also.
Thank you. Thank you. It's
Thank
a nice
you.
session.
Very
He
good.
enjoyed it.
I would like to say bye to him. Where is he around?
Okay, that's all. Yeah.
Hey, hi. Bye bye.
Hi.
Hey, Vedic.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
What about you?
Even I am also fine. How old are you?
How are you?
5.
5 years old. And you're super cute, you know? Okay, bye bye. Bye bye, Devik. Bye bye, Vedic.
Bye.
Okay, take
Okay.
care. Bye bye. Thank you, ma'am.